Greetings of the day, everyone. As we all know that today is Gandhi Jayanti, so firstly, a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to one and all. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in the year 1869 and was fondly known as Bapuji, the father of Indian nation, and many more. Gandhiji's father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. He was a local politician and also was a leader of a local political party. And his mother's name was Putlibai. During his childhood, Gandhiji was very short and a shy boy. But during the age of 13, he got married to a local girl named Kasturba. And during his youth, he decided to go to England to study law. During that reign, going to England was a significant step. He had no problem in continuing his father's career as a politician, but at last, he decided to go to England to study law. Watch this.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
Non-cooperation movement was launched on 5th September 1920 by Mahatma Gandhi with the aim of self-governance and to obtain full independence as the Indian National Congress started giving no support to British reforms in India after the Revolt Act. Gandhi's planning of non-cooperation movement included persuading all Indians to withdraw their labor from any activity that sustained British government and its economy in India, including British industries and British education institutions. In addition to promoting self-reliance by spinning khadi, buying Indian-made goods only, and doing away with English cloth, Gandhi's non-cooperation movement also called for the restoration of Khilafat in Turkey and the end to untouchability. The second roundtable conference was held in London from 7 September 1931 to 1 December 1931. It was attended by Gandhi as the sole representative of the Congress. As an agreement between Gandhi and Irving, known as the Gandhi-Irving Pact of 1931. However, this session couldn't satisfy the desires of Indians. You can even know his greatness in a song. Let's listen to it.
Good morning. Here I am, T. Tejasvi of class 10C to sing a song. दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल रघुपति राघव राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब दब की लड़ाई दाही न कहीं ताप न बंदूक चलाई दुश्मन के किले पर भी न तूने चलाई वहरे फकीर कूब करामात दिखाई चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल रघुपति राघव राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Before I start, a big salute to our great Indian freedom fighter, father of the nation, our Mahatma Gandhi, on his birthday. People will not forget the year 1913. The year 1913 saw genocide, that is, the mass killing of the people. People gathered in the ground to legally protest against the arrest of Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. Then comes the man with brittle mindset who ordered to close all the entrances and start fire. A big havoc was created and thousands dead. Of course, this marked a turning point in our Indian freedom history, and this led to the full commitment to make India independent from the British rule. Salt Satyagraha, Dandi Satyagraha, Salt March, Dandi March. Terminologies may be different, but the Indian patriotism is not. Salt March is the major freedom protest done by Gandhiji in the year 1930. It started with around 80 people, but later it was found to be a strong crowd of 50,000 people. A sum of 240 miles, 10 miles a day, they marched towards Dandi. People may be wondering why salt played a very important role in our freedom struggle. And the reason is, Gandhiji termed salt as the symbol of unity. Salt is used as a tool. Salt is used as a tool to unite people, whether it's rich or poor. And the major thing is, British imposed taxes on our Indian salt. So salt played a very crucial role in our Indian freedom struggle. I think our eyes will not be satisfied without looking at a live video of our Indian freedom incidents. So take a look at it.
Hello Navbharatiyans, this is Ikshita here with the journey of Mahatma. Mahatma is the father of our nation. Putle Bai and Karamchand Gandhi are the parents of Gandhiji. Lakshmi Das was his sibling. At the age of 18, Mahatma left to London. Mahatma organized corps during Boer War in Africa. Mahatma established Tolstoy Farm in Africa. Gandhiji's Hind Swaraj was published in Indian Opinion. He launched Satyagraha Ashram at Kochrab and Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat. He launched non-cooperation movement in India. Gandhiji played a vital role after Amritsar massacre, due to which Officer Dyer was suspended. During the Salt Satyagraha, Sarojini Naidu joined Mahatma. Gandhiji rooted to Madras along with Dr. Annie Besant. People from Telugu states portrayed him as Messiah. He met Rabindranath Tagore in 1940. Nehru and Gandhiji played vital role in Quit India movement. Jinnah kept meeting Mahatma to support the partition of Indian subcontinent. Mahatma was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. His funeral was conducted in Delhi. All countries do respect our Mahatma. He always believed God is truth, and the way to truth lies through ahimsa. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Hello, are you bored with this pandemic situation? Well then, I am here with some interesting facts on Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Believe it or not, Mahatma Gandhi is a huge football buff. During his stay in South Africa, which is enough to walk around the world twice over. Oh my God, can you believe this? Yes, you have to. The funeral procession of Mahatma Gandhi is 8 kilometers long. It sounds great, right? Yes. We, as the future of our country, can contribute ourselves by living a life with teachings of Gandhiji for growth and freedom of our country. Let's make it a successful nation in the future. We salute to such a great leader who had played an important role in giving our country independence. Let's cherish his preachings and offer a tribute to this great soul.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई
Jai Hind. Viksit Bharat. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Now comes a glimpse of dance performed by our students, choreographed by our dance teacher. Thank you.
Wow, that was a wonderful dance. Today, Tapasvi Sri Hari of class 7C, Vishwajit and Sainath of 6C, Ronak Agarwal of 7th D, Venkata Sai Pranav of 2nd A, Srinaga Chaitanya of class 5th D, Rahul of LKG D and Venkata Sai Tanish of class 8C are celebrating their birthday. So let us wish them a very happy birthday. And I'm also very much pleasured to wish them happy birthday in Sanskrit. Janmadinamidam ahi priya sakhe, Janmadinamidam ahi priya sakhe, Santanotu te sarvadamudam, Santanotu te sarvadamudam, Pradhayamahe भवशतायुषी, प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी, ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्, भवतु सार्थकम्। सर्वेषां जन्मदिन शुभाकांक्षः।
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढब की लड़ाई, दागे न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की तूने चढ़ाई, बाहरी फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, शतरंज बिछा कर यहाँ बैठा था जमाना, लगता था कि मुश्किल है फिरंगी को हराना, टक्कर थे बड़े जोर की दुश्मन भी था ताना, पर तू भी था बापू बड़ा उस्ताद पुराना, मारा वो कस के दाव की उल्टी सभी
అందరికీ హ్యాపీ గాంధీ జయంతి.